Okay, it's time to fix this air conditioning cover. It's broken down in here. You can see it's cracked right there and cracked in half right here. These things are so cheap. You'd think they'd last a little bit longer than this. It's only 28 years old. So what I'm going to do here is use some brazing rod, which shouldn't rust, and cut some pieces and lay them in here like rebar, and hot glue those in at different levels. See if I can fix this thing. I've already sanded this with some sandpaper, roughen it up, like 60 grit, and then I'm going to start laying that stuff in there and hot gluing it down, see what happens. So that's the plan. So maybe I'll have a little bit more of my favorite drink. And I've got plenty of it, don't worry. Up here, more. And the frog's going to supervise today. Oh yeah, it's burned down. Yes. It'll start right back up. And try and lay this in here like you would rebar. Hoping to have it up inside just a little bit. Not laying in the bottom. Pull it up into the middle a little bit. Trying to hold the brazing rod off the bottom so it's suspended in the hot glue. It has hot glue all the way around it. Okay, I'm out of glue already. Just got my little Sears hot glue gun there. Glue sticks. And just put them in the end here. Push them in. Sounds like the fire's going again. Oh yeah. Let's get this thing on an extension cord. I'll let that heat up. crack goes way to the top, so I'm going to do that. It's just like doing concrete. Put a little rebar in it. I don't really care what it looks like. I'm using see if that holds it together.